you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Amanda. Today's video, we're going to be talking all about Zara trousers. If you are the kind of girl that has a bunch of Zara trousers in your closet and maybe you wear them to work only, or maybe you like the way that they look and you don't really know how to dress them down, I'm going to be showing you how I like to dress down my Zara trousers and wear them outside of work on more of a daily basis. So this video is going to help you maximize your closet in that way and really get more wear out of the pants that you buy from Zara. If that sounds like something that's going to help you out or give you some inspo, then let's just get into it. All the trousers that I'm going to be using in the video today are classic trousers that Zara always has on their website, so they should be easy for you to get. They constantly restock these things. They're like a staple on the website. So I really wanted to focus on something that you could get now. My trousers are still available on the website, but I did get them kind of throughout last summer and into this year. But I wanted to show you one of the little creations that I just came up with, and I know that I'm not the inventor of this style, okay? I just like the way that it looks, and I happen to have these two in my closet, and I thought it would be a fun way to wear it. I have this oversized silk white button-up shirt on, and then I have the linen corset crop top that I got from Zara recently in one of my recent hauls. And I thought that it would be really cute to wear this over the satin shirt and kind of give it a more of a sexy vibe. Maybe for like a night out or a dinner or something like that, something a little bit nicer. And I paired it with my cobalt blue Zara pants, Zara trousers, whatever you want to call them. It's also really fun and it feels creative, so naturally it's something that I'm drawn to. But I would wear this outfit with my black pumps probably and a little black handbag. I think that black, white, and blue go really nicely together. They're all in the same kind of cool color family. So this is one way that I would dress up these trousers. Now I'm gonna show you maybe a couple ways that I would dress it down and make it a little bit more casual, but still give it the grown woman kind of feel. And also a disclaimer, I really wanted to show you guys a bunch of these outfits with white Air Force Ones, but my Air Force Ones are beaters right now. If you don't know what beaters are, they are basically like the rundown Air Force Ones that everybody has. They all get run down, they all get dingy, and then it's time to buy another pair, and I haven't done that yet. So you're gonna have to use your imagination a little bit. I do, though, have a Zara haul on my channel where I showed you guys my red trousers with white Air Force Ones. So I will link that above so you guys can check that out and see what I'm talking about. So a way that I would dress them down is with a graphic t-shirt, and I'm gonna be using graphic t-shirts throughout this video, okay? You guys know I'm a graphic t-shirt queen, I love them. So this one is just black and white. Like I said earlier, I love the way that black, white, and blue looks together. So I think this would be really cute tucked into the blue trousers, and maybe wear with some, it would be really cute with some white Air Force Ones too if you really wanted to make it super casual. And then you could also throw a jean jacket on over that as well if you wanted to really take it a step further in how casual it looks. This is a really nice casual outfit and a really nice way to get more wear out of your trousers. So I may pair that outfit with a different pair of sneakers that I have in my closet right now, which will probably look good with it too, but also it can easily be recreated with white Air Force Ones. The next outfit that I'm going to show you is with a pair of classic Zara trousers that have the darting in the front. I don't think that this specific color is available right now, but they do have it in other beige colors, so you can still recreate this look. These are kind of the toffee, I call it kind of a toffee color. These are just the classic darted trousers from Zara. They have these in so many colors, so you can recreate this type of outfit with these trousers in a bunch of different colors depending on what color works for you. I have these in a medium. I love the way that they fit. The medium is pretty tight on me, okay? So if you're in between sizes, then I'd suggest sizing up. Other than that, you could probably stay true to size and get away with it. But I love to pair these nice trousers with a graphic t-shirt, again, So I decided I'd pair it with the one that I got recently in one of my hauls. You guys have seen this before. This is the grease t-shirt with the writing on the back. Again, I love the look of the trousers with the graphic tee tucked into it, some white Air Force Ones or even some black pumps, maybe a jean jacket, maybe a black bag, something like that. Whether you're a boss babe or you are just trying to elevate your style, make it feel more grown, or you're a mom, whoever you are, this is a great way to kind of feel grown and still cool and still stylish at the same time. So the next trousers that I'm going to be showing you guys are these baby blue belted trousers. These are the fabric belted trousers. I don't know if they have this baby blue right now. I'm sure that they have other versions of it or other tones. But again, that doesn't really matter. I love to wear these belted trousers with white Air Force Ones. Again, I'm gonna say that a million more times, so get used to it. But these are a size medium. I love the way that they fit. They're super tight on me as well. I feel like these are maybe not quite as tight as the red color that I'm gonna show you. And if you shop at Zara a lot, you know that certain colors just fit a little bit tighter than other colors, and I'm sure that that has to do with the dye and the way that it shrinks the fabric, so keep that in mind. But these ones fit just a little bit looser than the red ones, which is totally fine with me. They're still tight and fitted, but I love the way that this looks with a kind of a cooler tone graphic tee like this one. You can get something very similar on Zara's website right now, but this tucked in with some sneakers, some black sunglasses, or some black pumps or something like that is another great outfit. I think these trousers could also look really cute with just a basic white tank and maybe a jean jacket over that. I think the jean jacket denim color with blue looks really nice. So that with just a white tank top underneath would be really cute too. Okay, moving on to probably my favorite pair of Zara trousers because of the color, honestly. I mean, look at this red. These are another pair of the fabric belted trousers in a size medium. These are the ones I was saying fit a little bit tighter than the baby blue ones that I have. Love these. These are stunning. The color is so bright and beautiful. It's not like neon bright or anything like that, but it's super bright. I showed you guys this in one of my Zara hauls last year. That's a video where I was telling you I styled them with white Air Force Ones. So if you want to check out how I did that and what I mean and how it looks, the type of vibe that it gives, again, I'll leave it linked above so you guys can check out that video. But I love these trousers. One of the ways that I showed you how to style it before was with a t-shirt like this. I think this is so fun. This is a great way to wear it during the summer. You have some bright summer colors going on. You're still kind of grown woman looking. You can definitely pair this with sneakers and still feel very stylish and very put together. So I love the look of these trousers with a shirt like this tucked in. Another way, though, that I would wear this would be with a pink little tank top like this. I think these colors are very pretty together. So I think something like this with maybe this just thrown over it, open, and then with some white sneakers, I think is also so cute. These colors are so nice together. It's kind of like you're getting a color blocking moment in a casual way, so I love that. Anytime I can get away with wearing sneakers, I'm here for it. So I love the way that these look with sneakers. They also look really great with pumps, so if you're a heels girl, you could throw on some white heels. In fact, I think that's how I showed you that I styled them when I showed the try-on clip of these, just because I didn't have my white sneakers, so you can kind of get an idea of what I mean by wearing something white at the bottom to kind of balance everything out. Alright, you guys, I know that was kind of short and sweet, but I really wanted to get some inspo out there for you guys, help you maximize your closet, get some more wear out of the things that you may already have laying around. And we do have a Zara haul coming up next week, so I should be receiving my last shipment tomorrow, and then we will get that out, okay? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!